Today we are keeping it real about why you cannot make money online. Yes, we like the idea of making money online. Yes, we have heard of people making $1 million in a month, and you want the same because they make it sound so easy on the surface. The reality is that it's not as easy as it looks. A few people who have actually started their online business have gone ahead to quit. I mean, it's like social media marketing, bye-bye, web designing, bye-bye, affiliate marketing, here we come. But they go ahead to repeat the cycle over and over again. So today we're going to be talking about why and how we can solve this problem. Big welcome to you. I'm Amaka Oguchi, back with another video on helping you gain success on your journey towards entrepreneurship and living a better lifestyle. If you're new here, welcome. Right here we talk about all things personal development, entrepreneurship and lifestyle. If that interests you, then you should click on the subscribe button so that you don't miss out on our weekly topics. Guys, also let me know if you are into any online business at the moment. Let me know in the comment section. So let's go straight into today's video. The number one reason why you cannot make money online is that it requires consistency and a long-term mentality. Lots of people start their online business today and expect to make $1 million by the end of the month. It really doesn't work that way. When you start out on your journey to any business, there is a learning curve. I can't say for sure how long this will take because it depends on you and the business type. But one thing we can both agree on is that you need to stay consistent and fully dedicated to the learning process. You also want to keep track of the progress you make because sometimes it takes months before you actually start to see the big results. So let's be a lot more patient. The result you are after will eventually come, but only after you stay committed with the process and you are consistent. Another reason why you can't make money online is because of lack of proper knowledge. When you lack proper training, you have no sound knowledge on the online business that you are involved in, you are actually bound to fail. Look, I don't mean to offend anybody, but it's actually very funny that some people want to earn money online but have never acquired the basic knowledge or understanding of the online space. You're an affiliate marketer, but you do not know how to get your links in front of people or even getting them to click. You want to build a customer relationship, but you don't know the platform to use for your kind of business. Please, I'm going to say this just once. If you have an online business, go get proper training. You don't necessarily need to get the entire digital marketing course. You can get a course that is tailored to the area that you want to focus on. I would rather pay for a means to get me to my destination faster in days or weeks than to spend years or months stressing myself getting to my destination. I know you're a smart person and you will totally agree with me. So do not be afraid on parting with your money, okay? It's an investment in yourself that it will eventually give you more money in your pocket. So take that online course, buy that book, be happy to invest in your growth and in yourself. The next reason why you cannot make money online is because you haven't developed the skill set. If you find yourself experiencing the highs and the lows, this month you make money, next month you don't make any money, it can be traced back to the problem of not mastering the skill set. You need to take your time to master the skill for your business. If you fail to master the skills necessary for your online business, you won't succeed and you won't be profitable. Mastering a skill goes beyond knowing the basics and the theoretical aspect of your online business. You need to actually start getting your hands dirty on a daily basis. This actually goes hand in hand with the learning process that we talked about earlier. So experience what your business is about on a daily basis. Experience is what is going to build up your skill set, your creativity, your decision making, and your work speed. The more you encounter a problem, the better and the faster you are at solving them. Over time, it's like building habits, okay? So you do it over and over again until you become very good at it. In your online business, there will be different things that will come up, and those different things require different ways to solve them. Until you let your skills face these issues, you won't advance to be a top earner. It's only after you have mastered the skill set, then you can begin to make consistent income from your online business. Another reason why you can't make money online is because you haven't become the person worthy of making money. You have not become the person worthy of that dream. Until you start living and doing things the way a top earner or a six-figure online earner does to build a business, you will not be able to get to that point. So you need to start asking yourself, what are the things that needs to be done? What do you need to do a lot more of? What are the things that you need to give up? How much time can you devote to your job? And most importantly, what is your mindset like? What is your attitude like? In fact, that is the most important factor when it comes to generating money online, okay? Know that you are responsible for your life no matter your starting point. I mean, you might have just one funny laptop, that the type that you plug, and if it gets disconnected from the power source, it goes off. Or you might not have enough internet, okay? You might be that guy or that lady that decides to go to a lounge to buy a bottle of Coke so that you have access to their free internet. It doesn't matter. However you choose to go about this, if this is a work from home job or a side hustle, my dear, it doesn't matter. What matters is that you are taking charge of your online business and you are holding yourself accountable, not giving into excuses, and you are positioning yourself as a successful person, someone who has something valuable to offer. So start making those sacrifices, put in the work, and invest in yourself. So like I said, until you start living and doing things the way a top earner or a six-figure online earner does, you will not be able to build your online business to the point where you start to earn six figures. So guys, let me know in the comment section, can you relate with any of the points I have mentioned? If you run an online business, what has been your biggest challenge? I would really like to hear from you. So there you have it. Those are the reasons why you cannot make money online. Do not forget to subscribe and do not forget to smash the like button. If you'd like to connect with me, the best place to find me will be on Instagram. So until next week, when I come to you with another exciting episode, keep your body and your spirit strong. Keep your mind focused. Feel free to share this with your family and your friends or anyone that you think might need to hear this. I remain Amaka Oguchi. Take care and see you next time.